Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Artist King here again, back with another video. Hope that everybody's doing well today. Everybody's having a good peaceful day. I know in some parts of the US we have been experiencing a lot of storms and a lot of bad weather. So I hope everybody's keeping warm and staying safe. So anyway, simple collage as usual. I have another one to show you guys. It's very simple. I decided to incorporate some dogs into this one because I know everybody loves their dogs. I know I have two, and I wouldn't trade them for the world. So I decided to use the images, some magazine images of dogs today. So I hope you dog lovers out there, I hope that you really enjoy this video. So don't forget, give it a thumbs up if you like it. You can feel free to share it with someone. Leave a comment. And most of all, don't forget to subscribe. So I will let you enjoy the rest of this video. And I will see you next time. Okay, and thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, all right, bye now.